Good morning, Scott Peters, PhD. My role and responsibility is technical sales, and what I brought today is a lot of the products, solutions that PhD provides. So we do electrical product, your motor, your way, which means you drive what goes on the back end to control and operate the unit. But we take our traditional knowledge in slides, whether it be thrusters, cylinders, or gantry style of slides, and incorporate that. One of our newer products is shown in the video. It's called flexion. So it's made to emulate the human finger. It can be in many different configurations, as you see here. A lot of different designs, whether it's parallel motion or set up on a radial hub to do angular motion. And from there, we like to talk about our custom solutions, because this started off as a custom solution. So what we'll do for you is understand what your application is and develop the actuator that you need. So a very quick process. We have applications engineers that help vet the application, then it goes to our custom solutions group, and then we get a design, we get drawings, and then we move forward from there. But it's made to help you get more process improvement out of your equipment.